Hi, Dean Jenkins with Follow Me Trades here, and I'm giving the update for the week of July 27th. And a few weeks ago I had said, "Man, the market's boring." Well, it's not boring anymore, is it? It's pretty exciting. I'm really zoomed in here, and I want to show you a couple key things on this. This is the Dow Industrial daily chart. Um, Last week somebody said that it looked like the market was consolidating and going to reverse off of this level. Who was that? Yeah, that was me. And look, man, it sure did. It sure did. So we've got this pattern that I've been talking about of 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 highs, then lows, then lower highs, then lows. If this level goes down below here, if it breaks through that level, I'm going to say there's a 75% chance that we're in a bear market, that it has begun. That won't be definitive. That the definitive thing is this level down here, this February 2nd low of this year. But this pattern is really compelling, and there's something else going on here. It's called bearish divergence, and you can see that the amplitude of these lines, this is called the optimum wave locator, and it's the amplitude of the bullish waves compared to the amplitude of the bearish waves. And you can see you can visualize a down sloping line here. The energy is coming out of the uptrends, and the bearish ones are getting larger in amplitude and heading down. That's telling, along with this pattern here. So it's not guaranteed. I'm not calling the bear market yet, but it's really pointing that way. And I think next week is going to be very telling. Will the market rebound off of the level it's at and go back and just be um, channeling and get us back into what I called boring? And it's really hard to make profits when the market just sits here and channels in a narrow range. So in terms of profitability and faster trades and stuff, it's better if it goes on and makes highs, or it makes lows and the bear market starts. If the market is moving in some direction, if it's sitting here and bobbing back and forth, it's really hard to be profitable. But we'll find out next week. Again, I think it's very telling, and we'll have some clue. If it ends up breaking down through this level, that's going to be really interesting. So stay tuned. I will continue to give updates. Next week, I'm going to be on vacation. I will be traveling. I will give a text update. You'll get the normal email, but I won't be able to do the video update next week. But the week after, we'll be right back on track. So stay tuned. Always trade with risk control, and I look forward to giving you the next update. Thanks.